Wonderful price action here for the Pepe army. We literally just made a video about Pepe yesterday, talking about it being one of the best meme coins to buy, and look what's happened. We've seen the results, we've seen a reflection of true pump here, just breaking out of this symmetrical triangle. I think a great support zone, lots of liquidity flows in, and boom, we're seeing now the reward. We are seeing that pump. We hit the price target over here of 0.00001, removing that zero yet again. But we do have indeed a lot of work to do here in the Pepe front. So just to look, Pepe now 0.00001175. We can see on the 7 days some decent performance here. We actually hit the sort of mid 12s market cap wise, back to $5.2 billion. But we still have a long way to claw back. Not insanely long, but we don't want this to be a dead cat bounce. We want this to have some sort of sustenance with it. So that's why I think it's not good that we flip between greed and fear so fast, because we might unfortunately be victim to a dead cat bounce or something here in the markets. And yeah, if I make a quick video on Pepe this morning, fresh up in the morning, shirt's not ironed, as you can see, but we're not here to talk about the crinkles in my top. We are here to talk about Pepe. And if you're serious about your crypto stuff and you want to hit your crypto goals, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, so stay in the know of the latest and greatest. We're always putting out content. So yeah, I think Pepe, it's a good thing that we've seen Pepe at least do the same thing over and over again. And by that, I mean, we've had the first impulse wave that then leads to a very nice kind of 0.618 to 0.786 correction on the fib. And then we have our second wave, which is pretty much a 0.618 golden fib correction. Now, what this then leads me to believe is that if we take this swing high to swing low, we got before, we bounced nicely. We bounced really nicely up a 3x between the 1.618 and the 2.618 fib. So this could lead me to believe that should we draw this previous all-time high to the local low that we've got here, the 2618, the 1618, if we go bang in the middle, we're looking at hopefully a 2x. A realistic target for Pepe is a 2x here. We need to break through this diagonal resistance. So I really want to see Pepe get through this resistance at the 13s, consolidate, come through at the 17s, and boom, through those 2s and then beyond. That is what we'd love to see. It would go straight into price discovery, straight into euphoria, and hopefully the meme market would be back. Now, just looking at the duration it takes between each of these highs, the first one was 74 days. So we had 74 days of cooling off and then back into an uptrend. You can see obviously quite a few days were down, 36 days down, and that led to around 39 days being, on the upside. So we are currently from that top that we just put through, we're 48 days through on the corrective phase. So we still could have quite a while to go. If we look at what happened before, 74 days, let's assume maybe 80 days, it does take you into sort of August, maybe even it will take us through to September. If it's 100 days, things could be a little bit slower this time around, but I think Pepe is indeed looking quite good. Now, quickly dabbling into the RSI, we are not overbought, so we're not seeing any major selling indicators on the greed and the overboughtness here with the volume. And I think actually this is a really healthy bounce here for Pepe itself. If you also want to unlock trading signals, guys, and grow your crypto portfolio, we've only got 18 crypto legend packages available and about 20 odd, 30 odd crypto champion ones. So if you do want to get trading signals like the ones you see right here in my awesome Discord channel with over 24,000 people in it, the Patreon link is down below. That's where you sign up and get all those VIP benefits to the Discord. So please check it down below. Crypto fear and greed index, we're sitting at 65. So we've just hit greed. We're not in extreme greed, we're out in neutral, but we were in extreme fear not long ago. So yeah, it's a very quick change of scenery, and I think maybe a little bit too fast. And at the moment, July is actually printing just almost neutrally green. Break even kind of green, the same sort of places where we were at the start of July, which is pretty good as well. It's consolidation rather than actual dropping and losing massive amounts of TVL in the market. August could still be red or green, we don't know, but September I think will probably be red, looking at the historical date we've got there and how many red Septembers we have had. And I really think October, just like usual, will be a decent month. So this could be the time to maybe dollar cost average into your favorite cryptocurrencies, pardon me, to prepare for that wave that could come in October or November or something like that. So it's something to also consider. So what else is going on? Well, in the markets we have Pepe Unchained. They've just literally raised $3.7 million. This is an ICO, a new Pepe themed coin with its own dedicated block explorer. Could be fun. The token ticker is Pepu. It's priced at 0.0084598. So yeah, looking quite cool. I think it is a decent one to consider. It could do a potential 2, 5 or 10x. It's a low market cap gem, 8 billion total tokens, and they also have a staking side over here. As you can see, 502% per annum rewards on their staking protocol right now. Recently they've been celebrating their $3.5 million raise for their ICO. Just a few weeks now left until this one does go live on DEX and centralized exchanges. Of course, not financial advice. This is a very risky market, and of course ICOs are always speculation that you're getting in before the general public at a lower price point. The price will go up again in 1 day, 14 hours. So what do I think overall Pepe? I think looking at Pepe's history, the price, I think we're in a great place, and with it having a $7 billion market cap as previous all-time high, well, I think overall $10 billion, getting that 2x that we were talking about, is a realistic start, and we could actually see that happen. So don't want to get too hopeful, but that's what we're looking for. Anyways, Pepe, awesome coin, one of the best meme coins out there in my opinion, and you know, a lot of upside potential still for the remainder of the bull run. I'll see you guys soon. Let me know what you want to see on this channel, and make sure please you hit that subscribe button. Do me one small favor and get out there, do your own research and due diligence. See you soon.